Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be doing a review on 60-Minute Warrior. Now, it's a course done by John Thornhill and Dave Nicholson, and John Thornhill happens to be my business coach, and he's absolutely amazing, so I know his products are good quality. So we'll not only be looking at the sales page today, we'll also be diving in and having a look at some of what is in the course. And then we'll also go and have a look at some of the actual upsells. Alright, so before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks. We're going to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now in this part of the video we're looking at the actual sales page, and you can actually have a bit of a watch of this if you wish to. Now I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. We're in the launch week right now, so get in while it's still cheap. And it does go up every 20, or I think it's every 30 minutes or so. So you might want to jump in early so that you're not paying more than you should. So you keep going down and have a look at what they actually have and what's involved. Now it does have a bit of a countdown timer, and it shows you that it can be done in 60 minutes. Now he does rush through some of this, I have to say, but it's okay because you can always go back and watch it again if you need to. Now let's go and have a look at the actual site itself. Now I have done one upsell on this, so I've purchased one upsell, and that is the massive traffic upsell, and we'll talk about upsells in a minute or so. So what do you actually get? Well, with this you get over 15 videos teaching you how to start your product using PLR products, and then turning it into a product itself and uploading that into Warrior Plus. And then you can get some affiliates to come in and get involved and begin to start selling this. Now if you were to do this, if you were to create a product every single week or every single day even, then and you could put that into Warrior Plus, it wouldn't be too long before you started making quite a lot of money, especially if you're encouraging affiliates to jump on board and get involved in the launch. Now you can have a look at what they have here. Now they do have some upsells here. Now let's go and have a look at the one we've got here. We've got massive traffic, and we also have a bonus that comes with this. Now as I said, you've got 15 videos that teach you how to actually do it. And he does rush through it a little bit, as I said before, but it's okay because you can always go back and re-watch them if you need to. Now, they also have a resource area here which you can have a look at. I haven't looked at this one yet, so we'll check this out together. I'm not sure what resources they are offering. So you can have a look here, contact support desk, essential tools. It talks about the various tools that are involved and so forth. Okay, so let's go back to here, or back to the home area I should say, and then we can continue on. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the actual upsells that we have going on here. Over here you've got your boost your website income with massive 50 done for you products. Now this particular one is essentially the same as this one here. Now PLR Monster membership area, which is where I'm at, this one here has 50 PLR products that you can download anytime you want. And they also give you training videos to help you through that. Now this is essentially the same one, and then they have a downsell which is 25 done for you products. If you don't want to be spending the same amount of money for this one, you can then spend a little bit less and get this one instead. Now they also have massive graphics package, which is over $9,295 worth of premium design graphics and elements and templates for one low price. So you can have a quick look at that if you wish to, and you can have a look at what they actually have to offer the various graphics and images that they have. So as you can see, they've got the things like boxes and 3D covers that you can use for your PSD or Photoshop design. Now if you don't have Photoshop design, we'll be going through something a little bit later on and showing you how you can do it for free. And you can still use Photoshop design in that as well. So we'll have a look at that one in just a moment. You can have a look at all the various graphics that they have here. Literally thousands of dollars worth of graphics just here that you can use on your site anytime you want. And of course the price goes up as time goes on. So let's go and have a look at the next one. Now this is the 50 done for you products. As I said, it's essentially the same one as this one here, which is PLR Monster, and I've looked at it and they have exactly the same products. So it is the same thing. So what I show you in this will have exactly the same thing as what's in this one here. So you can have a look at that, and oops, wrong one, this one here. So you can have a look at that and you can decide what you want to do with that, whether you wish to purchase this or not, or whatever you want to do. So let's now move on. Over here is the download package. Over here we can actually download this is the massive traffic. Now these here is 150,000 articles with full private label rights. Now I've downloaded these already, and they also give you other bonuses as well, which comes with full responsive high converting landing page templates, 45-day traffic plan video training, and you probably want to have a look at that if you decide to purchase this package. 51 best traffic sources video training, online video website traffic course, CPA traffic tactics for video training, etc, etc, etc. It goes on and on. That's really quite good. They also give you another bonus, which is just here. This is the bonus that they give you, which is 60-minute warrior, and you can get the quick start guide, and you can download the 60-minute warrior quick start guide just there. Now let's also have a look at what you get in PLR Monster. Now PLR Monster does give you quite a lot of things, and it also gives you a storefront that you can purchase from if you wish to. Now I want to show you here the editor. Now the editor I was talking about before, the Photoshop editor, is called Pixlr.com. Now I'll leave a link for this one in the description down below so you get an opportunity to log in and try it out. Now it's a really easy one to use, and you have your elements over here. You got your layers over here, then you have the various things you can do, etc. So you can change this up, make it different. You add shadows if you wish to. You can, I'm just going to select this one. You can move things around on the page. You can change things up. I'm not sure if you can change the color of that. I haven't tried, so I'm not 100% certain. But you can try, I guess. You can also go here. You can add an outline if you wish to, an outline glow. Let's change. Yeah, let's put an outline around that. That'll be good. That'll change it up a bit. We can also put an outline around this particular one here. Go here to filter. Let's add an outline to that just to make it look a bit different. So we can do that, and we can move that into the center. Okay, we'll move that one over here. Alright, so that's how you do it. Now, okay, because it's got the drop shadow, I put a drop shadow there, so I can undo that and not have that there. So I have to remove the drop shadow for it to be an even circle. I put a drop shadow there earlier, so yeah, no big deal. Anyhow, that is just some of the things you can do with this particular one. And this one here is called Pixlr.com. It is completely free, and that's why I use it, because I don't like paying for Photoshop. Especially if I can get ones that are free that will do essentially the same job. I'm not a graphic designer, so I don't need all the bells and whistles that Photoshop has. I just need what I need and do what I do, and I don't go too much into it because I don't need to. If I want to go into full-on graphics, I hire someone to do that for me. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know of what you think of 60 Minute Warrior. And I tell you what, if you can, jump in and get it now while it's still cheap, because this is the launch week, and launch weeks are always cheapest. So, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. Okay, now just over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube believes you might like. And over here is an icon of my face. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.